My grandfather was a gardener and always had the healthiest plants because he used one simple trick. Today, hardly anyone remembers it. Take a tall jar and fill it with regular water. Add a handful of nails, stir thoroughly, and leave it for a few days at room temperature until the water slightly changes color. During this time, elements from the nails will gradually be released, enriching the water with valuable micronutrients. After a few days, stir the mixture again and water your plant with the prepared solution so the nutrients can reach the roots directly and be quickly absorbed. Nails contain iron, which slowly transfers into the soil and promotes a deep green leaf color and a healthy appearance. As a result, the plant not only grows better, but also becomes more resilient and looks much more vibrant. This is a natural homemade fertilizer that experienced gardeners have used for years, appreciating its simplicity and effectiveness. You'll notice the results sooner than you expect, and your plants will become noticeably stronger, healthier, and full of life. It's one of the simplest yet most underrated tricks for keeping houseplants healthy, and you can start using it right away. I've always placed a tomato under my orchid, and my flowers grow like crazy. This natural plant nourishment works better than store-bought fertilizers. Don't water your flowers the usual way. I'll show you a better method. Tomatoes contain potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which strengthen plants and support their growth. Take a tomato and cut it into smaller pieces. Tomatoes help develop healthy roots, making your orchid bloom beautifully and become more resistant to diseases. Place the chopped tomato in a larger container with water. Now, add enough water to submerge the roots in the tomato solution. This homemade fertilizer acts like a natural elixir for plants. Within a few days, you'll notice greener leaves and new orchid shoots. Your plants will be healthier and bloom longer. Try this method and enjoy lush, beautiful flowers without expensive chemical fertilizers. Additionally, its flowers bloom longer and keep a more intense color. If you're wondering why your hydrangea will grow like this, try this trick. It's all about a special eco-friendly fertilizer made from orange peels. To prepare a homemade fertilizer for hydrangeas from orange peels, just follow a few steps. Peel the oranges, then spread the peels on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven at about 260 degrees Fahrenheit for around 2 hours. After that, take them out. Once they cool down, blend them. Transfer the blended peels into a jar. Using it is very easy and quick. Simply sprinkle it over the top layer of soil and add the peels. You can also turn this fertilizer into a perfect spray. Mix the peels from the jar with water and pour it into a spray bottle. Orange peels slightly acidify the soil, which is very beneficial for flowers. This natural fertilizer also works as a repellent against aphids. Your hydrangeas will look better than ever. All you need is this homemade fertilizer to get 10 times more blooms on your anthurium. Put garlic under your flowers. It's a trick gardeners have been using for years. Thanks to it, they can enjoy strong and healthy plants. While most people think of garlic only in the kitchen, it also has properties that work perfectly in plant care. And in a moment, you'll see how simple it is. Just peel a whole head of garlic, sprinkle the thin skins into the pot, then cover them with soil, mix, and plant your flower. From then on, it will draw valuable nutrients straight from the ground. You can also use the skins in another way. Put them in a pot and add about half a quart of water. Let it simmer on low heat for around 10 minutes. Once the skins release their goodness, strain the liquid and add a cup of fresh water. Water your plants with this natural extract once a week. Both methods are incredibly simple. You'll see results very quickly. All it takes are those thin garlic skins. They enrich the soil and make plants stronger. Flowers grow faster, fuller, and more beautiful than ever before. I know exactly what geraniums should eat. Here are 5 fertilizers you should use on your geraniums, and they'll reward you with full, vibrant blooms all season long. To make the first one, grab a larger container. Pour in half a cup of milk and 1 cup of water. Transfer the mixture into a bottle and store it in the fridge. Water your geraniums with this solution up to 3 times a month. It's rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Next up, eggshells. They're packed with calcium and work great as a natural fertilizer. Crush them with your hands or a pestle and mix them into the soil around your plants. They'll help maintain a strong and healthy root system. The third one is a banana peel fertilizer. Chop up a banana peel into small pieces and mix it into the soil near your flowers. Banana peels are high in potassium, which supports flowering and plant growth. For the fourth fertilizer, use yeast. Dissolve about 1.5 tablespoons of fresh yeast in 4 cups of warm water and let it sit for an hour. Then simply water your geraniums with it. Yeast contains nutrients that can boost your plant's immunity against diseases and pests. And finally, wood ash. Take 2 tablespoons of ash and mix it into a 4-cup pitcher of water. Stir well and water your plants immediately. You can also sprinkle the ash directly into the soil. It improves soil structure and adds minerals. Wood ash also has antifungal properties and can help protect your plants from fungal diseases. With these simple natural fertilizers, your geraniums will be lush, healthy, and as colorful as Grandma's balcony garden. And trust me, your neighbor will be jealous. Put them in your plant and get rid of that persistent problem. Fungus gnats are annoying insects that can destroy houseplants, especially those in damp soil. A natural way to combat them is by using regular matches. The sulfur, the main ingredient in matches, is released into the soil, acting toxically on the larvae of the fungus gnats, eliminating them in the early stages of life. Additionally, the smell of sulfur repels adult insects, preventing them from laying eggs. Stick the matches into the soil around the plants, preferably in several places, about 5 to 10 centimeters apart. Matches are effective for houseplants such as ficus, geraniums, or ferns. Matches are a natural, cheap, and effective method that works without chemicals. Natural ways to deal with fungus gnats are a great alternative, and this method is easy to use and safe for the environment. It's an excellent way to combat fungus gnats without chemicals, helping to maintain a healthy environment for your plants and protecting them from pests without harming their growth. Just 1 teaspoon of this spice is enough for orchids to burst into bloom. This trick is used by orchid growers. Thanks to it, their flowers bloom all year long. Yellow leaves and wilted stems can be a sign of dangerous fungi. It turns out that garlic is a secret ingredient that works perfectly as fertilizer for orchids. It contains many minerals such as phosphorus, iron, and potassium. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which act like a protective umbrella against insects and mites. Take 3 cloves of garlic and crush them through a press. Then pour 1 liter of water over it and leave it overnight. The next day, pour the mixture into the pot. After 30 minutes, pour out the excess fertilizer. Garlic water can also be poured into a spray bottle and used to mist the leaves. The smell of garlic and its antifungal properties protect the plant from diseases and pests. For busy people, there is also a simple recipe using granulated garlic. Just add 1 teaspoon of the spice to 1 liter of water. Then mix the solution and water the plants with it. And that is it. Garlic infusions are used not only for protection, but also help support growth and flowering. Garlic works as a nutrient source. It contains active substances and essential nutrients. It is enough to fertilize orchids with it at least once every 2 weeks for them to start blooming again. It is the only fertilizer I use for my orchids. They are literally bending under the weight of the flowers.